As a travel and outdoor filmmaker, I'm always on the move, chasing light, storms, and stories in some of the most remote and extreme environments on the planet. Always on the hunt for the next adventure, the next perfect shot. To get there, I need more than just a vehicle. I need something I can rely on. Something that can take me where the roads end and wild places begin. A companion that allows me to break through my own boundaries. A space to create, to rest, and to call home, even in the middle of nowhere. Built for the journey and ready for the unknown. This is not just about travel. It's about freedom. It's about pushing beyond the ordinary. It's about living the life I always dreamed of. A life full of purpose, passion, and endless discovery. For me, that vehicle is IBEX.